up, guys? Welcome back. Really excited. We just hit 100 subscribers. It was 102 at the time of me riding out right now. And I want to give a huge shout out to everybody who subbed in the last few days. Really helped my channel.
Thanks to all of you out there. Thank you. Ah, no, not me. No, you rock, and you know that.
I don't know how far this channel will ever go, but the farther we do go, that's amazing. Heading out right now to meet up with a few friends. I've got Blake, he's on a CBR 1000. I've got Brian, who's on a DRZ 400 Supermoto. And I'm going to meet up with Kyle, who's on a Saber 1100. So, ought to be a fun little group gathering. Big assholes, Jesus Christ. Just put a new tune on the bike. Seeing how it rides. So far, so good. God, some pops, baby. Get around this traffic here. So far the tune is absolutely amazing. The old tune, really the only thing I noticed is whenever I'd start the bike, it would kind of like take a few seconds. It would excuse my sound effects, but with the new tune it kind of instantly just cranks over. So I think the old tune was tuned to the slip-ons, but it wasn't tuned to the high airflow. So all I did was retune it to the slip-ons and then put slip-on pipes and high airflow filter, and it kind of starts up a little bit better. So I don't think it was tuned to have the high airflow this entire time. And I've got the other tune saved in case this one ends up being shit in some other way, because I mean the other one rode fine, it just started weird. I don't know, this one so far feels a little bit more peppy, this tune. So maybe the tune actually did a whole world of difference on this bike. Man, it feels good today. We're up in the 70s, high 70s. Warmest day we've had by far. I'm out here in a t-shirt. I didn't think, it'd be a long time before I was able to ride in a t-shirt. It feels amazing, which I don't condone riding in a t-shirt, always wear your gear, but I'm somewhat of an idiot, professional idiot. Carvana! Is that Betty White on her back window? Was that the Queen? Who the hell was that? I'm not cultured.
2 hours later.
I couldn't tell if I was recording already or not. Everybody ready? Well, the gang's all here. You got Brian on the DRZ, CBR 1000, and then the 1100 behind us. They probably think I'm weird talking to myself, but hey, they're all subscribed. They know what to do. About to go ride some slight twisties. Dead cat in the road or raccoon, something.
Nice.
Next milestone I really want to hit is 250 subscribers. I think we'll do something special for 250. Don't know what yet. Stick around, find out. You know, we'll do something cool. Maybe a giveaway of some sort. I don't know. We'll find out though. 250 is a little bit away. This is my favorite section of turns. I'm not the fastest in it, that's for sure, but it is a real fun section. That is for sure. This turn right here is pretty fun because as soon as you straighten out from the lean on this one, you go into the lean on this one. And that feels good. Feels real good. So there's a story about this turn where I came up over it and almost went to the back of a vehicle. It was majorly my fault looking back at it because I was speeding and the man clearly couldn't see me. But at the same time, he probably shouldn't have like basically parked in the middle of the road because I didn't stop all the way thinking he's gonna go. Like, oh shit, there's a bike, I better go. Instead, he pretty much stops and I have to go to the side of him on the outside. I'm clearly in the wrong in this video, and I don't want people to think that I'm like an entitled biker. Maybe I'll share it, maybe I won't, because like I said, I don't want people getting the wrong idea from a clip. I had it posted on a YouTube channel I started a while back, and a lot of people were pretty angry with me about it. So, I don't know how I feel about that clip. Woo!